day 2 of Glysa driving. Come. Get over that place.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared that one.
It'll be alright. Just don't get in no hurry, because this is a little road.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd stop and let him by. Alright. Go that way.
It's okay. There is a big truck.
Yeah, just push your brakes. Going up a little bit. Okay, now go around. Get over this way. Turn over this way. Okay, now. I wouldn't get up going too fast because you're going to have to slow down up here for them vehicles.
Yeah.
Don't get too close to this tricycle. Get over.
Oh my gosh.
Go your way, son. Go your way.
It's okay to help me to turn this one.
That's alright. You're just learning. So. That's why you practice to learn.
Yeah. No, I don't want. Maybe I hit them as accidentally.
Well, if you get ready to pass them, I'll help you steer.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I want to. I like their speed.
Oh, okay.
The gas, is this okay?
The gas?
Yes.
Yes.
What if? It's
I
okay.
think he's letting you go around.
Huh?
If you want to go around, get over your way a little bit. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Oh my gosh, that's challenge for me. Book, help me this one, huh?
You're doing good. Get over your way a little bit.
Please slow down. Oh, not. Tambok, I cannot see.
You want the windshield wipers?
Wait, not yet. Wait, huh? Wait,
Yep.
when it's the back.
Get on the road.
Sorry.
I've got the hill descent thing on, so it shouldn't get to going too fast. Over your way some more. There you go.
What is this?
What? The motor racing?
No, I mean, I'm thinking it's very down. It's a short road. Even I have a big road, it's still short for me. Huh?
Yeah.
I'm do wishing that I have these two roads.
Why didn't you
Chicken
get chicken
soup.
soup?
Chicken soup. Sweet bears, help
Okay.
me. Help me, Tambo. Oh, Tambo.
Doing okay. Don't turn too short.
Oh, sweetie, help me. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Turn that way.
Almost.
Huh?
Almost.
Okay. Go ahead.
Wait.
Get
Sweetie.
back over here. Okay,
Sweetie.
now.
Okay. Okay, huh?
Mm-hmm. So yeah, I'll grab it if I need to.
See, it's very curved.
Your way. Turn your way. Okay, right there.
It's a perfect curve. Why they put a canal that one? I'm scared.
It's a nice place right there.
Yeah. I'm scared of that canal.
Get over here.
Huh?
Well, you shouldn't be over there. You're supposed to be on the paved part.
City.
Uh-huh.
Is this okay?
Yes, you're doing good.
What is this?
It's a curve.
Yeah, I know.
I just stop till the motorcycles get back. Not right now, you behind him. Get over your way a little bit. You got a truck behind you. Slow down.
Are you sweat?
Huh? No, I'm not sweating. You got a motorcycle coming up behind you.
Yes.
Slow down. I'm gonna motion them around. Slow down. Get the other lane. When you get back
Yes,
Get
well.
back over here and you got one behind you. He's gonna probably pass you when we get around this curve. Man, there's a bunch of corn out there.
Yes. Are you sweating?
Uh-uh.
Okay. All I know is the horn only. It's one straight.
Yep.
Yeah, I know how to straight. That's a church. Yes.
You got a motorcycle behind you.
Okay. I don't know. I didn't see.
Slow down. He's coming around you.
Yes. Oh,
You got to turn either right or left here.
seen that.
Which way do you want to turn?
I think left.
Okay, go on up there.
Wait.
Get over your way a little bit. Don't push the gas, just let it coast. Let off your brake. Oh, stop. Let off your brake. Let it roll on up a little bit.
This
Going
one.
up a little further. Okay, turn left and then push your gas, not real hard, just turn it further left. Okay, go ahead. You're too short now. Come on, you're on this side. Come on, keep coming, keep coming. And come.
Yay.
Good size road.
Yes. This is going to Sagbayan.
Okay.
You remember?
Try to stay between the yellow line and the white line.
Yes. There is a motorcycle behind me.
Yeah, but I don't think he's coming. He's way on back there now, so he must not be driving fast.
Where is this going?
I don't know.
Try to check where is that in a Google map. This is a big road, right?
Huh?
Big road.
Yes.
This one, what I want. Huh? This one. It's like a two roads in the short that we went.
Mm-hmm.
That one. I feel right now. I feel in the inside of the line. No.
This road goes to Hatafi.
Okay.
Comes out at the cemetery.
Okay.
It's a long ways because we've got to go through Denial and.
No.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you would, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it to your social media, and feel free to leave a comment. And as always, may you all have a blessed day. Shalom.